The Mould King 1202 V12 Engine Model Kit offers an engaging building experience with its 1,260 pieces, providing an intricate and satisfying project for enthusiasts. This model kit is equipped with an L motor and a battery box, allowing you to witness the fascinating mechanics of a working V12 engine in action. With 4 adjustable speed modes, this model enhances realism by mimicking the operational intricacies of a real engine, making it a standout feature for hobbyists. Beyond being a captivating model, it serves as an educational tool, introducing builders to the principles of engineering and mechanics in a hands-on manner. Perfect for car lovers, this kit is an excellent gift choice, blending the thrill of model building with the appreciation of automotive engineering. The Mould King 1202 V12 Engine Model Kit is not only a toy, but a testament to the marvel of engineering, suitable for display in any home or office setting.